Well, the title's true. I did cancel my Jesko order, but only to replace it with something that Koenigsegg came out, which is much better. And Christian Koenigsegg was kind enough and gracious enough to allow me to be one of the 30 owners of this exclusive masterpiece he's building. The Seder Spears, 1625 horsepower, much bigger aero, and in my opinion, a lot more sexier. For the longest time, I was going back and forth between the Absolute for like top speed and the Jesko Attack for the track. And then when I saw the Seder Spears at the Goodwood, I'm like, there's no option. I gotta have it.
It's the Koenigsegg Sadair Sphere, and this is a very special Koenigsegg. But it is a production car. It has already set production car lap records at Laguna. Versions of this, although this is the latest version, I think this is going to be very rapid, and it's driven by Marcus. Actually, no, it's Javier Castan this time.
But it's going to be close, but
that's quick.
That goes up to the very top of the times.
47.14, so that has gone fastest now.
So in this configurator today, we're going to do two options of two different specs, and then down below, you guys let me know what you guys think, or what color would you pick for your Seder Spears. They don't make a configurator for Seder Spears. It's 30 units, super exclusive, limited. So we're gonna use the Jesko as an example. And right off the bat, my top color was cherry red, which is called chill red in Koenigsegg color sample. And this thing just looks incredible. I like how it pops, and I'm sure it will definitely stick out of the collection. I've never done anything wild when it comes to colors. I've done either white or exposed carbon exterior, and I think it's time to do something different. This is really cool. I love the configurator because it takes you a total 360 on the car. Even shows you the interior and as you're sitting on the track. And what's really cool about it, you can actually go up on the control panel here and open the doors. Wow, look at that. Amazing. It even allows you to remove the top. Look at that. Honestly, this is the best configurator I've seen with any automaker. This is incredible. Look at that. And there is so many options. So I opted for chill red. Well, not yet in this example. And then on the interior, haven't done the interior yet, but let's finish the exterior first. As you guys can see, there is so many options. On the exterior, you got obviously your exterior color, then you got center stripe, a stripe position, a stripe color, fin position, and then carbon areas. You can kind of paint them or leave them exposed. Your options are very vast, which is going to add to the price. The more options, the more cost. So on this one here, pinstripe, I don't think we want to do, let's see. So this is white, and if I do obviously Draco red, it's not gonna match, but let's just use the white for now. There we go. And then a strike position. I don't know. On this one here, on the front apex, let's see what does that look like. So right now, there's no color on there. We can go ahead, see if it allows me to add one. All right. So it comes in silver. I think if you're doing the center stripe, you got to go all the way in and do the front fin. Let's leave that in there. I like it. On the sides, let's close the doors so we can have a better view. And I'm gonna put the roof back on. There we go. Now you can see the full center stripe. Now let's take a look at the sides. There we go. Aha. So this is the sides. Definitely think it's a must. Wow, that looks cool. Now it completes the picture. And then on the wing, let's see, what else do we have? I think that's it. So this is one option, to have the center stripe all the way from rear, all the way to the front. Turn this around. There we go. What do you think? I love this. This is really cool, very racy.
So what you're making right now, that was the first thought when you saw the car?
Yeah, my first thought was cherry red or yellow. Those are the two colors I'm opting for. And I really like this red. It just really pops, you know, with the carbon and the racing white stripe. And I want to see what is the fin position. I think we got too many colors. I don't know if, what do you guys think? White on the fence, you can see on the rear wing here, or just blend it in with red. I'm kind of opting for red. We got too much white going on. And then on the carbon area, I'm thinking I'm gonna leave the mirror as painted because it does match the tip of the wing. And let's take a look on this side. What are they talking about here? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave the rear intakes as carbon or not? Probably not. I think it looks cleaner that way. This way you only have carbon on the wing area and the rear diffuser and the front diffuser and the side skirts. I like it. I don't know, it reminds me of like a Ford GT racing, just very racing.
Have you talked to the Koenigsegg team and have they told you that there's other options to the car that are different from the Jesko, the normal Jesko?
Well, you know, the design specification on this obviously doesn't have the gear shifter. This one doesn't come with it, it's just a paddle. And aside from that, 25 more horsepower. But in terms of options, really every option you have on Jesko, you can have it on Seder Spears. All the colors, interior, exterior. I don't think there is anything they can't do that could do on a Jesko that they can't do on Seder Spears, as far as I'm told. Let me see, I think on the exterior we're done. You know, we did the wheels, I did carbon fiber wheels versus stock, which I don't know who would pick stock on this car. It just looks like mismatch, complete mismatch. But the carbon wheels are just fits the picture perfectly. And calibers, you know, we can go with only 2 colors. They could do a custom bespoke. For bespoke, definitely is going to be a different type of spec. You can do it on configurator. You got to send in paint samples and it's going to be off the grid. And talk about paint samples, they sent me a few. Originally I was thinking about doing, you know, something more gold, pearl white, champagne, and this is off-white. But I just think we need something more wild, something that pops more. So that's why I thought about, you know, going with the cherry red as my first option. And then we're gonna dive into the interior because I think interior is just as exciting because it's got so many different parts to the seats and dash that you can kind of play around with different colors and make this really, really pop on the inside. So on the interior, let's see what we got here. Interior color, unfortunately, they don't give you a lot of options on interior. You got about 18 colors, 9 in leather and 9 in Alcantara. But you know, I was going to opt for a gray and red mixture. Let me see what this is giving me here. Okay, so this got the red steering wheel. It's a little too much red. So we want to do a little more Alcantara, but look at that. I mean, this thing, the quality of this configurator is bar none. Incredible. To the leather interior, so Alcantara. Okay, there we go. By the way, guys, I'm colorblind, so excuse me if I'm showing you blue, but I really think it's gray. A little bit, yeah.
Slightly?
Yeah, that my wife tells me, I don't know. When we go shopping for clothing, you know, I always tend to buy black and I come home is navy blue. All right, so this one, we opted, instead of having red steering wheel and accents, or I guess the all interior, it's showing me Alcantara. Let me see if this is the steering wheel. Okay, we're gonna go with Alcantara. Dash trim, definitely Alcantara. Dashboard, Alcantara. I just feel like, I don't know, carbon's gonna have too much shine, so we'll do Alcantara. And then what do we got here? Stitching options, definitely red. That's gotta really pop. Now this is really cool. It gives you 2 different types of stitching, French or French cross. Let's see what does French cross look like. All right, I can't really tell the difference, but I really love the red accents. I think it looks really elegant. Wow, look at even the headliner. It's got a nice diamond cut stitching in red. I think this is that, you know, because the outside is so wild, the inside should be more subtle, and I like this. Let me know what you guys think, and let me see if there's a better view. There we go. Just picture heavier aero with this spec. This looks sick. Let me see on a specification. Well, definitely we're picking US market, so I guess that's it. There's not much to go there. Well, that's the first spec. That's my initial thought. Well, let's move on to yellow and see what you guys think of yellow. I don't know. I had 2 yellow Carrera GTs and there's something about yellow. Maybe it runs in a Persian culture, I don't know. Oh wow, look at this one here. Yellow but still leaving the accents red. Looks kind of like a toyish. Let's get rid of that.
You were possibly going to do your bleed in yellow.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yep. That was one of my options. I don't know. I feel like with the yellow, you can't really do the pinstripe. Just it doesn't go unless you did all in black. We can see both, but let me take a look on the sides. Yeah. Let me take everything off first and see how it looks. There we go. I think this looks a lot more cleaner now. Just yellow and black. Wow. I'm really loving this. I don't know which one I love more, the yellow or the red. Let me take a look at 360. Oh. I don't know, Nate. This is a tough choice. Oh, look at this. Look let's remove the doors. I want to see how it looks on convertible, and remove the roof. Man, I love this configurator. Look at that. Oh my God, this looks amazing.
Right now, are you leaning a little more towards one color than the other, or?
I don't know, I'm starting to like this yellow more. Oh, let me just quickly change the stitching of inside to yellow. Just want to see how it looks. It only has gold, doesn't have yellow. Let's try gold and see what that looks like. How does that look? Oh, actually looks good. Oh, let's take a look. Not bad. I don't know. I'm starting to like this more. I feel like the red is a little too busy with the white pinstripe. This is clean. Of course, I gotta pick the right yellow because there are some yellows that, you know, I like a deep yellow, kind of like canary yellow is too light. Something a little bit more heavy, like a Bijan yellow. But anyhow.
So I know you canceled the Jesko Absolute and the Attack. I was wondering, did you have a spec in mind for those?
Yeah, it was the same spec. Yeah, well, they're ideally, you know, same car, just a heavier aero with a Seder spear, a little more horsepower. But what's cool, I do like the gear shift missing. I think it's just gonna look more refined. But I think the cool part of this car is going to be the rear. So the rear of this car is gonna be like the Absolute rear end with the huge wing, bigger than the Jesko Attack. So I think the combination of the refinement of the rear with the bigger wing of the Jesko Attack is like the 2-in-1 almost. So I'm getting two cars for price of one. There will be work in progress before I finalize my spec, but I wanted to share the first session, this great exciting news. There's a Seder Spears coming in 2026, and I'd love to get your feedback on colors, a spec, what we covered, and what else do you think should be a consideration. So with that said, hope you guys enjoyed it. Be safe, be well, and see you on the next one.